copy my exact 80 million landing page Shopify step-by-step tutorial. So this is a video by Alex. So the core message of this video was to use custom advertorial page to grow your Shopify brand, to generate revenue. So what I will do in that video is, he showed in that video and he described everything in that video, the necessity of a custom landing page, the benefits of a custom Shopify landing page. But in my video I will cover how to create that type of advertorial landing page that he showed in that video, as well as the sales page example that he showed in that video as well. So this is the example he showed in that video, the example from getderilla.com. We will create a similar looking advertorial page into our Shopify store without any code, and when people are clicking buy now button, it redirect them to a product page or a custom sales page. I will also show you how you can do, or you can design something similar without knowing any code and with by yourself. And also I will drop a link in the description to get those ready-made templates of the advertorial and this sales page for a very cheap price. So if you want that, do check this description link. So now let's see the introduction of this video to understand the better of what he covered, but I will link the video in the description so you can check this out. This is a very valuable video and also you can understand this lot better. But if you want to build those advertorial and sales pages by yourself, please do watch this complete video. You will find a very valuable information there to build those advertorial and sales page by yourself without investing any money. So let's see the first 1 or 2 minutes of this video, and then we'll get back to our tutorial.
It's 2023. And if you're still using these boring Shopify product pages to try and sell your shit, you're sabotaging the growth of your business. And even worse, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table on a daily basis. Yes, thousands of dollars. So instead of using these god-awful Shopify pages, the solution is to build a high-converting custom landing page. The only question is, what type? And how do you actually build one? I'm going to reveal the exact structure that I used to make over $80 million in revenue with advertorials and landing pages and $25 million in pure profit. All of that from this sneaky little landing page structure that almost nobody is taking advantage.
So he's talking about the advertorial page, custom looking advertorial page that generate him over $80 million. This is strategy. So then he showed this example, and this is what exactly we are building. And he already gave us the framework. We just need to replicate this, and you can follow the same layout. Just in that case, it will be your product. Okay, if you are not selling the exact same product and you are now allowed to use someone else images, everything, you just need to replace it with your own content, then it is good to go. So now let's begin with the tutorial. So before starting the tutorial, I would like to introduce you to the templates that you can get instantly with plug-in play. If you want to skip the building process that I will show in this video, if you want to get that advertorial page that will be built, and also the landing page or sales page that they have when people clicking the order now button, you can get both using the link, product link will be given in the description. You can get this only for 25 USD. So you can see these are the templates. This is the template that we will be building, and you can get it instantly with one click with mobile responsive as well. And this is the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page that you will get, which is highly optimized, and you can launch your product with this advertorial and with this sales page and landing page in a day. Just you need to swap the content and everything according to your product, text and everything, and it is ready to launch using the Pagefly app, which is completely editable. Every part of it is completely editable and drag and drop. So you can check this product, the link will be given in the description, and check all the details. So now let's get back to today's tutorial and let's build this page step by step. The first step is to install the necessary apps. So we will need this app called Pagefly to clone this type of advertorial page as well as sales page. So I'll put a link in the description. Just go there and just click on install to install the app into your Shopify store. Other than that, we need a Shopify store. So if you want a Shopify store for $1 plan, the link will be in the description as well. You can open a Shopify store using that link. After that, click on install. It will redirect us to our Shopify store. Click on install app, and this will install the Pagefly page builder in our store, which will allow us to create this type of pages without knowing any code. Then if you install Pagefly for the first time, we need to do some settings so the Pagefly app is working properly. So these things will be appear in our header of our store. So you can see there is 2 notifications showing enable Pagefly theme helper. Click on it and click on go to theme editor, and this will just need to enable the Shopify and Pagefly app, so they work together into our theme. So we need a basic theme. If you install a Shopify store, it will always have a theme. You may have a theme already, or you may have a theme that is Shopify given by default in every store, which is Dawn theme. So if you click on that, it will open the something like this. You just need to click on save, and Pagefly will be enabled into our store. And you can go back here and click on cross, and then click on enable UI optimization. Click on enable UI optimization, accept all cookies. So these 2 things we need to apply, and then you need to come to this dashboard where you will find Pagefly. If you want to access it again, you just need to click on apps, and then there will be Pagefly. Pagefly is a Shopify page builder app. So if you click on it, and it will open something like this. Go to pages, and then click on refresh button into your browser to refresh the page again. As you already made those settings, this notification will be disabled. Now you can start working with our page. So first page is this one. So let's see how we can make something like this. Other than that, we need another app, which is Vitals, which will allow us to create, which will allow us to have reviews in our store. So you will find this app link in the description as well. You can install that app. This is all in one tool with 40 tool added into this. One of them is review, another few are upsells and countdown, card, feature. Everything is included into that one app. So this is the thing. So you can install this app as well. So now let's go back to pages and click, and you will find an option something like this. What we will do, we'll click on create blank page. So click on create blank page, and then click on a regular page, and this will open the Pagefly editor for us. After that, we need to do few settings. So if you go to this one, you will find that this is our layout. So let me close it, and this is a Chrome extension called what font. You can add this into your Chrome, and we will able to see which font they are using. And if we click on individual element, we will find what is the font size. It is 48 pixel with this color code. So you can see this is the thing. We can enable this option with this Chrome extension. So you can see this how it will look. It will show all the information like what is the paragraph, it in 18 pixel, and it is Montserrat font. So let's get back to the Pagefly editor. First, what I will do, you just need to understand the basic block of Pagefly. So Pagefly have few things called add element, and then they have Shopify element. So we'll completely work with add elements first of all. So if you click on add element, it will show us a layout and some other elements into that dashboard. One is heading, paragraph, button, the necessary element that we see in every web page. So if you see this website, this have a headline in the top, this have a section with a logo. So and then they have some other buttons, order now and these things. So what I will do, you can see they have a track order page, contact page, and a order now. But I will add only 2 things. One is logo, another is order page. So it will redirect people to that particular sales page. We will design later as well. So first of all, just drag a section here, and then go to that section, and then we can give that section a color. If you click on the section, there will be a blue line. Okay, and this section will be divided into 2 rows. So click on that row, go to general, and you can see there is only 1 column. We want 2 column. In the left column that will be logo, in the right column that will be a button. So we'll go to that section. If you see, they've used a background color. So if I click on it, I will find that background color. So I think they have used a gradient background color. You can see if I inspect it, this is the code for that background color. So if I can copy it, and if I go to Pagefly, go to that section, I can go to styling, and then you will find a option called background. I can give a color. So if I go a color, I can give a solid background color, just like this, a blue background color, just like that. And if you want to use the same gradient background color, you just need to go to bottom and paste that code. Okay, you can see they have a similar type of background color just like them, but this cannot be found in that option. You need to add this in that way. So now let's add this logo. So for that we will save this image. So it is a SVG image. Then we will go to add element and we will click on image and we will drag an image here. Then go to general, click on select image and then click on upload from computer and then go to where you have uploaded the image. So this is an SVG image and this is an logo. Then we have a button. So if I click on that button, you will find this is the background color used in that button with the border radius, box shadow, everything is there. So you can see the image is being uploaded. It may take some time based on the speed, internet speed that you have. So in my case it is taking some time. So let the image be uploaded, and let's one things to make sure that if you are making any changes, you have to click on this save button to make our save. So what I can do, I can give it a particular name like Advertorial advertorial with your product name or advertorial, something relevant. Okay, then we can publish this page as well into our Shopify store later, but first of all we need to make sure we save it so our design won't go anywhere. So then just click on this refresh button to refresh everything to see if our images has been uploaded here or not. So click on the image and then click on select image and then check if the logo is there. So you can click on this logo. This is the logo, and then you can see this is the logo already uploaded, and this is the size I will go with. Then if you see in the right we have a button. I am already going with button. I will not copy the other links because in the advertorial I don't think the other page in the top should be added. The only the call to action button and logo is good enough. So I will drag this button here and go to styling and center this button here. And if you remember, we can, this is the background color for that button. Then go to this button and first of all make sure we click this icon and then choose the font from here. It is Montserrat. So we have this font to be used every time. So I'll scroll down and choose that font from here and then go to this background color and paste the color code here. Okay, so you can see exact same color code just like they have in their website, they have in there. And then this is the color, background color. Then we need to make it order now, and then we can link this to our product page later because you don't have the product page right now. So you can see this how it looks, and you can go to bottom and go to border and give some radius. So there have some circles in between the buttons. So you can see it is looking very similar, but it have a top padding increased, and you can go to there and give some top padding just like this, or you can increase the left and right padding a little bit more. Okay, so you can see this how it looks, and it looks pretty similar. But if the space is larger, then you can go to that section and then decrease the padding from here just like this. So now you can see it is very small. So it is looking quite similar. And then we have that section where we have two column divided into. In the right column we have these things going on, and in the left we have some heading. This is not selling the product, this is advertorial, ad and editorial combination of that. So what I will do, I will come to this add element, go to layout, and then we will take this two column layout in here and then drag this column layout with this arrow. As you can see in the green, we will drag it and make the left one larger and the right one smaller, and then we have some heading. So as I showed you this Chrome extension, which is this one, it is Montserrat and 48 pixel. So I'll go to add element, go to heading and drag this heading into the left column. Then go to general and make it H1. So we'll use H1 only once. Go to styling and make the margin 0. Then go to this font family, make it Montserrat, then make it 48 pixel, go to more style and then make this bold, and then go to general and paste the code here, paste the text here, whatever headline you want to give, and then make it 50 maybe. Okay, let's make it 50, it will look good. And as you can see, this is looking pretty similar. Okay, but if you want to decrease the space between them, you can scroll down here and make this line height 55 pixel, or you can decrease it as well. Okay, just like this. This is up to you. Then we have this start things. So you can, they have used an image, you can use an image, or we can go for icons as well. How? Click on add element, go to icon and drag the star icon below, and then go to color and paste the, choose the color for the star icon. So this is the star icon, and then go to the headline and give some margin bottom, okay, like 10 pixel. I am increasing it using my mouse. Then click that icon. If it is larger, then go to general and decrease the size. So let's make it 25, and then click on it and then click duplicate to duplicate it 5 times. As you can see, it is 5 times there, and then we have a date according with this icon. So I'll click on this, go to paragraph and drag the paragraph under this icon. Okay, then go to styling and make it 0, then make it 10 from the top. Okay, go to general and paste the text, and then go scroll down, make it Montserrat, and then make it, I think 20 pixel is best. Okay, good. And then we have some images, some paragraphs. So these are very easy to make. So first of all, I will come here and click on add element and drag an image element under the paragraph. Okay, as you can see, there is a space between this paragraph and the image. So we'll go to that image, and then I will give some 15 margin top, 15 margin bottom. Okay, then go to general and click on select image and upload the image that you want to use here. And for example, I will use this image here. Okay, and now you can see we have an image. Now they have some paragraph again, and if you can see with this what font extension, these are all 18 pixel, and this is also 18, this was 16 pixel. So I'll go to that paragraph and make it 16. Okay, let's make it 16 and duplicate that paragraph, drag it under this image. Okay, go to that paragraph and make it 0, and then click on that paragraph, and then let's make it 20, 18. Okay, and these are the paragraphs. So you can copy the paragraph or put your own paragraph. Go to general, then click enter, then add few more paragraph. Okay, and if the space required, click enter here, then paste your paragraph again, right, and click enter and another enter and paste paragraph again, something like this. So as many paragraphs as you want, and as you can see there are more paragraphs. So I'll go here, enter, and they have some paragraphs that is bold. So what I'll do, I'll copy this paragraph, scroll down, enter, paste that paragraph. And how to make things bold, just drag the text, go to top and make it bold. Okay, it will be bold. As you can see, this is how it will look. So very easy. You just need to add your own paragraph and make things bold, make things however you want. So I will add few more lines. Okay, just like this, and then you can see this becomes also bold, but we don't require it to bold. How to? So I'll drag it and go to top and just uncheck it, so the bold will be gone. So then you can see we have an image again. So same things, just duplicate that top image, drag this under this paragraph, we have another image, then click that, select and change that image to another image that you want to use here. And then again we have paragraph, then just duplicate the top paragraph, drag it under this image, and if you see we have some links to our product pages into those paragraphs. So I will show you how to link to your sales page, a particular text to your sales page. Then we have another image, so same, duplicate that image, scroll down and paste it under that paragraph, and then click on select and change that image. Now we have a different design. Okay, here is a different design. So how we can tackle this design? So let's do that. So click on add element, then go to layout and take a block here under this image. Okay, under this image, great. And if we click on inspect to see what design has been used in that area, so if I click this one, we can see they have a border left with this background. Okay, border left with this background. I will copy this code from here. Okay, go to this and then click on this block. You can see the block has been selected. So Pagefly, this Pagefly things is very important. It is now block selected. We can go to the section of this by clicking those navigator into our menu. So click that block, go to style and paste this background color here. Okay, paste the background color. Good, good. And then we have some border HCCC. Okay, click on this and scroll down and then border, give some border and give some color. So the color code is CCC. Okay, but this border is only in the left side with 10 pixel. So increase, make this 0 and increase the left border only to 10. Okay, good. Then go to top and give some padding here, like 10 to top, 10 to everywhere. Okay, this will be best. Then we have these paragraphs. So if I scroll, click on this, okay, if I click on this, we can see it is 20 pixel. Okay, it is 20 pixel and this is the paragraph used here. So I can copy the same paragraph used here, just increase the font size, duplicate it and drag it inside this block. Remember to drag it inside that block and then just select all of it and make it italic. Okay, and then if you want to increase the font size or also give some spacing, as you can see it is larger. So let's go to styling, make it, click on this paragraph and go here and make it 20 or 22, something like this. Go to that and then give some left and give some right and also make it 15 in the top and bottom. So this is best. So this looks great and also something similar to that. Okay, so if you want to increase this box space, you can increase the padding again, but this looking perfect, so no issue with it. So I am happy with it, so I will not increase, but if you want to, you can go to block and increase this maybe 20 top, 20 bottom to give some more spacing. Okay, so now let's see here. This is the heading, smaller heading, maybe 20. Yes, so I'll go to add element, go to heading and then drag a heading under this block. Okay, then go to styling, make it 0 and then give some 15 margin top. Scroll down, make it Montserrat. Okay, then make it 21 and make it bold as well. Let's copy that, make it bold and then go to general, paste it here. Okay, okay, and now we have an image again. So duplicate the top image and then paste it under the headline. So this is all good. So if we need the heading to be more space, just go here and increase it to 20. So this will be good. And then we have a similar type of thing like the top. Like the top, we have a paragraph with few things, few link and everything. So just paste it here. Everything is good. Okay, paste it here and then again image and again some paragraph. So just paste a image under this paragraph and then paste another paragraph under this image. So the layout is getting ready and then we have some buyer review. So for this buyer review, it is again you can see it is not highlighted, but what I like to do in that case is something like this box. So I'll copy that block. I'm just trying to making this design bit different than them. So what I will do, I will copy the review from here, no issue with it, but then paste it here. Okay, make it center. Good. Okay, make it center. Click that block and give some margin to 20. That will be great. And then we can click on it and increase the font size to little bit to 20 and then you can see there is a name of the buyer with identity verified buyer. So what I like to do, same font I think, so I'll paste it and I will paste the name here in place of top, something like this. and then go to styling, and then give some margin. Okay, then make it bold. Okay, good. So now it looks great, and they have some star reviews, so we can use the same stars that we used here, which was this. So we can copy one star from here, drag it under the paragraph, and then we can click on the block, make everything center, and then click the paragraph, give some margin bottom to 10, then copy that icon 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is looking good, and also highlighted rather than having them some plain reviews just they have used. So the next thing to do is to click that block and duplicate it 2 more time, and then the change that name of the buyer, review of the buyer, everything is, unless everything is ready. Then again we have a paragraph with a link of that. So for heading, so we have a heading here in the top, so I'll duplicate this heading and drag it under this block. Okay, and then you can see this is it. Then we have some paragraph again, so I will duplicate that particular paragraph and paste it here. Okay, and then we have a paragraph again, so click on this headline, click on this and drag it under this one. For this headline maybe we can, okay, so we can use some margin top like 10. Okay, some margin top like 10, then okay, great, it is 20, so 15. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. And then we have basically the same looking layout. Okay, same looking layout that used in the top, an image, some text, image, some text, something like this, right? So same thing, I'll just copy those here, and then an image, drag it into that, and then again some paragraph, some image, some paragraph. Okay, then some image, same goes here. One things that have that is different is again a headline, and there is a different color, but you get the point. Then we have a section just like this with some things, and again review, and again a button. Okay, so for that what we can do for this area, for update things, what we can do, this is very easy. For this update, what we will do, I will come to that headline and drag this headline under that. Okay, and then I will click on this headline and then remove the margin from here. That will be best. Okay, okay, okay. So now we need something called update, right? So update, and with a background color, so click on that and make it update, and go to style, make it center, and then it have used the same background color like this top. So we'll go to this section, we'll go to that section, scroll down, and then copy the code all from here, then scroll down, and then we will come here and then paste it, and go to scroll down and paste the background code here, and then we will scroll to up and make the to white, as you can see, and give some space. So and then make the font size to 25, and go to top and bottom 10 10. Okay, top 10, bottom 10. Okay, good. So now it looking something similar to that. Now then we have a block. So for that block, we can make this block and just duplicate it, and then drag it under this element. Okay, and then we have click on the inspect to see what color they have used, just for the reference, and there, this is the background color. So this is the background color for this, which one, I think this. Okay, any background color can be given, no problem. So let's copy the code from here and then paste it here. And for design, we will remove the margin. We will remove the, click on the block and then go here, border, make it 1, and then click the color, make it black. Okay, and then if you see, we have a text something like this. So I will go here and then make it go to block. So click on the text, update this, make it bold and underline. And ever since Derilla, so Derilla, as you can see, we can drag this, and how to link it, and click on link visit URL, and then we can include our product URL here. But currently it does not edit any product, so that's why nothing is showing. But this is very easy to add, so I'll delete those icons because this is not required here. So let's delete those. Okay, so these are deleted. We can change the background color, as well as we can click on the block and then make it left align, and then click on the paragraph, also left align, and then increase this to 22. Okay, the limited time offer, click here, again a headline with a link. We can with a link, so we can click, we can take this headline and drag it under this block, and then make it increase the size. So limited time offer, and paste, and then make it 20, and then we'll link that, right? Then we have a button with the same type of color that used for that button. So I'll click this button and drag this button under this, just like this with your mouse. Very easy to drag the elements, and then make it full width, make it center, give some margin to 20 or 15. Okay, then we have some padding things, everything going on. So this is the text for that. So click on this, go to general, paste it, and then go to set style, make it 25. Okay, make it 25. This is the background image or background color they have used exact. So I'll go to this button, and then the border, it is 0, scroll down, and then replace this with this one. Okay, and then we have some border radius here as well. So I will scroll to top and then give some border radius to 5 pixel, and then we have some spacing. So click on this, scroll to top, and then it is already there, so I will not decrease or increase anything. Then we have a few things, few reviews again. Okay, so what I can do, I can take the headline again from this top section like this, and just come here and then drag it here. We can use a divider, so add element, click on divider and add a divider under this button, and then for the headline, make it center, make it 23 pixel, make it customer reviews. Okay, and then make it something like this, and then we have some customer reviews. And for customer reviews, we can use the exact same layout that we have used in the top. So that will be good, because we want it to be something unique. So click that block and drag this under this customer reviews block, and then just add few more reviews block. Okay, so that is good. Click on block, and this is great. And then we have a button again. So for the button, then copy this button from the top and then drag it under this one, and then we have again a few paragraph for disclaimer things. So for this, just copy this paragraph from top and then just drag it under that button, and then paste it here, and then go here, give some margin, and also make it very smaller, like 15 pixel. So this is good, and we have a Daryl disclaimer. Then another important thing left is the right side of this. This is very easy to make, so we'll scroll to top, and as we have made many changes, I'll click on save to make things saved. Then I will click on add element, go to layout, and add that block here. Okay, add that block here. Then we have a headline. So for this headline, I will copy this one, drag this into that block, and then what I will do, I'll inspect and take this color code. So this is the background color code. Go to Pagefly, go to block, from the top menu, go to styling, paste that code here, and then give some padding. Click on the headline and then make it white, and also make it 25 pixel. Go to more setting and decrease it to 35, something like this, and copy this text, click on it, and then make it center align, and also increase the font size, also increase the line height to 40. Then we have a product image, so I'll click add element, go to image, and then drag the image under this headline, go to general, go to select image, and add an image for your product. Okay, this is up to you what image you want to add. Then we have a buy now button to link to our product page. So we have not made that product page, so click on the this color codes, go to add element, click on button, and drag a button under the image. Okay, then go to style, paste the button here, and then go to top, just like this, make it center, make it full width. It is not full width, I think. Yes, it is a full width. So buy now, so it is a buy now button, buy now, and go to style, and then make it white color. Okay, and scroll down, make the font to Montserrat, make it 25. Okay, 25, go to this, make it semi bold, and also make it 15. Okay, this will be good. And then we have some trust badge like payment icon. So this is also something, an image. So copy that image and drag this under this button, select image, and upload this from your PC. Okay, something like this as we did before. So this will upload the image, and then we can add that image into that area. Okay, so this is uploaded, I think. So click the newest, and this is the upload image will be there. So if you want to make it smaller, make it 300, go to style, and make it center align. So our design is already ready. So click on the image, give some margin to 10, and this is ready, and this will be there. But we can add a effect just like this, so it is remain sticky. So this can be added with code. So after that, make sure you click on save and publish that page to the advertorial. So this page has been finished. So if you want to add the similar type of effect just like that, we can take the help of the Pagefly amazing support team. So how to do that? So let's see. Let's add this. Let's click on save and publish. Let's click save and publish, and let's save it. And if you want to add the similar type of effect, we will reach out to Pagefly support team, and they will solve any of our issue. So if we go to mobile, the majority traffic comes from, it is already responsive, but we can make some tweaks. So first of all, let's make this into center. Let's make this button into center as well. Okay, make this button into center as well. Let's click this row, go to general, and decrease the column spacing here as well to 10. Then click on this headline, and then make it to 30 as also. Make it center, click setting, make it 35. Okay, Make it send left align. Okay, but that will be great. Left align is good. Go to section, make it 0. I think that will be best. Everything will remain same here, but this thing only I want it to be 18. Okay, 18 will be good, and everything remains same goes here. Make it 18, make it 18. Then click on copy style and click on paste style. This will remain same. Okay, this will remain same. Paste style, then click on this and then make it 20 or something, that enable it on 1 line or 2 line, no issue. So then we have to make this also paste style, also paste style, 18 paste style, and then paste style. So it all about 18, and this looks good. Then make this also 25. Go to more setting, make this 30. Okay, and this looks, everything looks good. Other than that, if you see, there is a footer, and we can use the footer from our theme, so we don't require to use this. So after that, again click save and publish, and then to enable the same, so it is already mobile responsive, enable this thing to our design. What we can do, we can click on this exit button, and there is a open chat option with Pagefly support team. So this is one of the best thing about Pagefly, is that support team. You can ask for any help from their support member if you are facing any issue building those pages. So click on open live chat, and it will open the live chat, and ask the support team that I want to enable the same type of sticky option. So when scrolling down, this side, right side will remain sticky. Then we can enable this with a simple code they will give us. So this page is completed. Now let's start working with the sales page. So now we have created the advertorial, and other thing we need to create is that sales page. So when people are clicking the advertorial, they are getting to a sales page. So if you see this page where people click on buy now or order now button, it redirects them to a sales page. So this is also a high converting sales page. So we can use this custom layout, and we can make this custom layout using Pagefly as well. So for that, you only need to add the product in your store, so people can buy it. So you can go to the products, or you can import it using any tool. It is up to you, but you at least need a product, so people can purchase that product. Okay, so you can just add that product, and for the design, you can go to the apps, go to Pagefly, and can design it. Maybe it go to pages, create that as a product page or your home page as well. So if this is a one product store, basically what you can do, you can make this whole design as your primary home page design. So it does not have other a separate product page, or it could be a simple home page and redirect people to that particular product page. Everything is possible. So you can click on create a blank page and choose the page type, and if you are choosing home page, you can choose it. If you want to, you can choose the product page as well, and this will somehow will open the same editor that you have already worked before. And the principle of designing this page is actually same like before. Like for the header part, if you want the header to be exactly like the same, then the header need to be come from the theme that you are using. So I will go to the element, then take two column. As you can see, in that section we have divided into two column. We have a heading, then some heading, and an image with a background image. So you can go to the section and add that background image, and for that exactly the same process, add a headline. Okay, then give the color and everything like we did with the editorial, and make it center align. Okay, if you understand the Pagefly editor, this will be very easy to do the design. The principle of the designing using Pagefly editor remains the same. So if you want to do the shortcut process of getting those templates, the link will be given in the description to do check this out, or you can make it by yourself step by step. I had also few other Pagefly tutorial in my channel that I will link in the description, so you can check this out as well, because I will not make that page again, because the principle actually the same. So if you understand the building blocks of Pagefly, you can design any layout using Pagefly, custom layout using Pagefly. So the link will be given in the description. You can check this out to understand the more about the layout, or if you watch the previous part of the video, this will make sure and become very easier. So as I already did the design and made the template for you, you can check this out and get those templates and instantly run your store in a day, or you can design this by yourself. So this is the all about the videos. I hope that helps. Thank you very much for watching it.